Welcome to the MyGauge app for iOS. In this video, we'll walk you through how to get set up and start using MyGauge out in the field. To begin, download the app from the iOS App Store. Once installed, launch the app. You'll be greeted with an onboarding screen that highlights how the app works. At the end, tap Finish to begin using the app. To start using MyGauge, you'll first need to log in. You can either create a new account using your company email address or sign in with your Google or Apple account. You can also sign in as a guest. If you're creating a new account using your email address, you'll need to add in all the necessary information and create a password. The password must be 8 characters long, contain 1 special character, and 1 number. Once you're logged into the app, you'll be directed to the Gauge Mode screen. Select the type of gauge you want to connect to, the No Nuke or the bottom option for the Explorer 2 and MC3 Elite. The screen will prompt you to engage Bluetooth access for connecting your gauge. Tap Allow. The MyGauge app will begin scanning for nearby gauges. Look for yours in the list, and once located, tap the button to connect. Your gauge will display its name, followed by its serial number after the hyphen. After connecting your gauge, you'll be directed to the Projects screen. To create a new project, tap the green plus button. Add a name for the project, and add any other necessary information. Then tap Save Project. Your new project will appear in the Active tab. You can also switch between organization and personal workspaces in the Projects screen. When organization is selected, your gauge readings will be visible to organization administrators. When personal is selected, only you will be able to view readings and data. Next, tap the main page icon. You'll see your connected gauge with active project information attached, as well as any data from previous readings. When a new reading is conducted, the updated reading data will replace what was previously shown here. You can also tap the moon icon in the top right corner to easily switch between dark and light mode. This applies to the entire app. When you take a new reading with your gauge, all data will be recorded in your active project. You can view this information from the project screen. Simply tap Review on your active project. Any readings, pictures taken, and location data will be stored here. You can also generate a report of your stored data by tapping the blue icon. Tap the Preview button to review your generated report. Then share it directly from your phone or through email. In the Pictures tab, you can use the MyGauge app to take photos of your gauge out in the field. Tap Add Pictures to launch the built-in camera feature and start taking photos. Any pictures taken will automatically be assigned to your active project. They'll also be added to any reports you generate after you tap the Refresh button from the Project Review screen. The Profile tab is where you can customize your MyGauge profile. Tap the green pencil icon to change your profile photo. You'll need to verify your email associated with your profile. Tap Verify to send a confirmation email to the email address you used to sign into the app. Find the email in your inbox and tap the link provided to finish the verification process. Once complete, you'll see a green check mark underneath your user information indicating that your profile has been verified. You can make further customizations from the profile page, including switching between dark and light mode and changing your preferred units. Any changes to the units will be reflected in your active project. Tap the gear icon in the top right to access the Settings menu. You can edit your username or delete your account. You'll also find the version and build number of the app, which will be helpful to reference if you ever need to speak with someone from our team about troubleshooting issues with the app. If you're looking to be the administrator, you'll need to create your organization. To do this, tap Create New Organization from the profile screen. Search for your organization's Apple Maps listing, or manually input the name and address of your organization. Then tap Create. you'll see the admin role added to your profile beneath your username. Organization administrators will be able to view gauge readings live in real time on the project screen. If you're a technician using MyGauge, you'll need to join your organization. To do that, tap the Join Organization button. Tap the filter icon in the top right to choose between searching by organization name or address. Then start typing in the search bar. Your organization should appear in the search results. Tap the green Request to Join icon to join the organization. This will send a join request to your organization's administrator, who can then approve or decline your request. You'll receive an alert within the app indicating whether your request to join is approved or declined. Once approved, your organization's name and information appear underneath your username. Thank you for watching this video. If you encounter any issues with the MyGauge app, please reach out to our team at sales@instratech.com for support, and we'll be happy to assist you.